Yesterday, the Mag 7 was bullish across the board. Google 97% dark pool buy, MSFT 99%. Today, everything reversed. This is the biggest one-day rotation we've seen in weeks. Let's break down where institutions move the money. Look at today's Mag 7 scoreboard. Google crashed from 97% to 37% dark pool buy, a 60-point reversal on 50 million in notional. MSFT from 99 to 44, AAPL from 99 to 53, NVDA 53% with bearish dealer flow. AMZN is the weakest, negative 1.3 million dealer flow, the most bearish reading on any name today. Tesla and Meta at 57% are neutral, neither accumulation nor distribution. The entire complex rotated from bullish to bearish in one session. That doesn't happen randomly. Here are the biggest overnight dark pool reversals. On the bullish side, SLB flipped from 24 to 89% buy, 64 points. Energy is getting bid. MRK from 9 to 59, UNH from 19 to 64, healthcare and energy replacing tech. On the bearish side, MRVL crashed from 89 to 23%, 66-point reversal. Google from 97 to 37, MSFT from 99 to 44. DIA, the Dow ETF, from 79 to 25. The message: institutions rotated out of growth and semiconductors into energy, healthcare, and defensives. That's a risk-off signal. Our proprietary DealerFlow engine shows the biggest hedging moves today. INTC negative 2 million, the most bearish dealer flow on any name, for the second day in a row. SPY positive 1.6 million, the only major bullish reading. MSTR negative 1.5 million, AMZN negative 1.3 million. When SPY DealerFlow is bullish but individual tech names are bearish, that's sector rotation, not a market crash. Money isn't leaving, it's moving. Names to avoid buying the dip on: CSCCO 30% buy on 113 million, MRVL 23% on 106 million, DIA 25%, BABA 27%. Yesterday's darling is today's distribution, AXP 13%. When institutional dark pool buy ratio drops below 30% on over 50 million in notional, retail should not be catching that knife. On the flip side, here's where the money went. XLK 85% buy on 283 million. Broad tech ETF still getting accumulated even as individual names rotate. SMH 93% on 264 million. Semis ETF bullish despite MRVL selling. Energy, SLB 89%, XLE 86%. The rotation is into baskets and sectors, not individual names. The meta read: yesterday was broadening, today was narrowing. Institutions went from buying everything to being selective. That's not bearish. It's a market getting more disciplined ahead of earnings season. Google reports Tuesday, MSFT and Meta later in the month. The positioning tells you money is waiting for earnings confirmation before committing. Watch SPY DealerFlow next week. If it stays positive while individual names chop, the market holds. If SPY flips bearish too, that's a different story. This market-wide scan runs every day after close. Dark pool, our proprietary DealerFlow engine, and options flow across 570 tickers. DealerFlow is exclusive to TradeAlerts AI. It's how we see rotation before price moves. Free full coverage on Mag 7 at TradeAlerts AI777.com. And if you trade Tesla, this weekend we're releasing a full educational breakdown. Dealer mechanics, FSD reality, and why this stock has been stuck between 250 and 500 for 4 years. Subscribe now. Follow NTonic Stock Pick on X, not financial advice.